Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today what I will be showing you is how I maintain this hair to a grey, platinum blonde, ashy kind of colour. I'm not a professional when doing this, so please don't copy me. This is just what I have found works for me. Welcome back. It's been a while. It's been quite a while. It's been 34 days I think it is. It showed in my studio, which is quite a while. But yeah, just a quick video just to show you what I use to keep this hair colour and maintain it basically, so stay tuned. So what I'm doing first, I'm going to give this a shake. What it is I've used it before, it's the Colour Freedom Blonde Platinum Toner, but I do use this all the time and I do pick it up from Superdrug for about £10. As I said, I am not Right, so yeah, now that is in, yeah, now that's in, I am going to leave it half hour, give it a wash, style it, and show you how it turns out. So see you soon. I'm going to redo my makeup though as well.
5 hours later.
One, I'm sorry, I got distracted and I went sunbathing in my garden. Just couldn't miss up the chance for the sun. Just couldn't do it. And second, I'm sorry, I've taken off all my makeup. My eyes had not stopped watering when I went outside, so it just seemed easier to take it off. So yeah, as you can see, this is the end result. I don't know. Let me try. It is grey, so I am happy. Grey, platinum, whatever you want to call it. This will last for about maybe 2 weeks and then slowly start to fade. But what I tend to use is, hang on, let me get the bottle. Yeah, this will last a couple of weeks, where it says up to 20 washes, between 10 and 20 washes, I think it said. But yeah, once it starts to fade slowly, what I tend to use is the L'Oreal Paris Elvive colour shampoo. This is one of the best ones I've found, to be honest. It really gets rid of all them tones in your hair, and I use that probably once a week, and it just keeps my hair this colour. Obviously, as you can tell, before it was really starting to fade, so it was due its touch up. But yeah, with this shampoo, if you find it's left, when you've washed it out and you've done your conditioner and all that crap, that you still have a purple tone in, what I tend to do is once I've put that on for like 2 minutes, like I lather it in sort of thing, I just rub it in. Use any type of shampoo like straight after sort of thing, and just give it another wash, and it tends to dull down that overtone of that purple, which is what I find best. As I said, I'm not professional, but this is what I found works for me. So again, thank you for watching.